consists of all the lessons that we have done. And after finish the session, I will send you the Google form paper. Then please submit me before 8 o'clock, right? Then I will start to do this. First question. In the number pattern of the multiple of 8 and write in ascending order, what is the general term? You have to find the general term. You already know what is the multiple of 8 and write in ascending order. What is the meaning of multiple of 8? 8 is mean 8, 16, 24, like this. Then definitely we know general term is 8n. What is it? 8n. Then how can we get it? First term a equals 8. Common difference b equals 8. There is a simple formula to get this, but no need 8. If it is a multiple of 8, general term is 8n. Multiple of 5, 5n. Multiple of 2, 2n. Multiple of 2 is mean even numbers, right? Multiples of 10, 10n. So even if methodically, if you want to understand this, a equals 8, t equals 8. Then we already know general term Tn equal first term 8 minus 8 common difference. First term subtract common difference plus common difference into n. Tn equals 0 plus 8n. It's mean Tn equals 8n. General term is 8n. Even straightly, if you won't write down this, if not no need, straightly you can write it 8n. Find the 10th term. It means n equals 10. You have to find the 10th term. Tn equals 8n. Tn equals 8 into 10. Tn equals 8. Find the 15th term. T15 equals 8n. T15 equals 8 into 15. T15 equals 8 times 15. 8 times 5, 44. Remaining 8 times 1, 8 and 4. 12. 120. Which term is 648? It means general term 8n. Tn equals 8 term. We have to find, and n has given 648. Now solve this and you can find the n. Then 8n equals 648. Both sides divide by 8. N equals 6. How many? 64. How many 8s are there? 8 times 8, 64, right? 8. Here 1, 8, 81. N equals 81. Question number 2. In the number pattern, what is the general term? Straightly you can understand this is 1, 2, 3, another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Square number pattern, right? It means 1 squared. When you are looking at this, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. 1 squared, 2 squared, 3 squared, 4 squared, 5 squared, 6 squared, like that, right? So you already know general term n squared. Tn equals n squared. What is 10th term? Sorry, what is 10th term? So n squared. So 10th term is 10 times 10, 100. Which term is 1600? N squared equals 1600. Then you can write here n equals 1600 square root. N equals, you can find here, I told you short method. 16 is a square number. Square root of 16 is 4. Instead of this, write here when removing the square root sign. Here 2 zeros. In 2 zeros, write 1 0 here. N equals 40. Even you can follow the long division method, factorization method also. Then also you can get the answer. I think this is the easiest way of finding the square root. Then I will show you the factorization method also to learn it, right? 1600 divided by 2, 800 divided by 2, 400 divided by 2, 200 divided by 2, 100 divided by 250 divided by 225 divided by 5, 1. 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 5, 40. The common feature of a number pattern Tn equal 4n plus 4. So the write down it first 3 terms. T1 equals 4 into 1 plus 4. T1 equals 4 plus 4. T1 equals 8. T2 equals 4n plus 4. T2 equals 4 into 2 plus 4. T2 equals 8 plus 4. T2 equals 12. T3 equals 4n plus 4. T3 equals 4 into 3 plus 4. T3 equals 12 plus 4. T3 equals 16. 8, 12, 16. Write the 10th term of it. So you have to find the 10th term, T10. Then substitute the value. T10 equals 4 into 10 plus 4. T10 equals, instead of n, substitute 10 here. 40 plus 4. T10 equals 44. If two triangles coincide more than once, the figure is said to have a, what is this? Rotational symmetry. In the figure, how many symmetrical axes are there? So you can show the symmetrical axis. 1, 2, 3. So how many axes are there? 3. What is the order of rotational symmetry? 3. Rotational symmetry is 3. How many sign it is coincide when we are rotating from this point? That is coinciding 3 times. So that's why we are saying rotational symmetry is 3. Next question, the sum of length of all sides of the closed rectilinear plane figure is called perimeter. Write down the formula for the perimeter of the following closed plane figure. Calculate the perimeter of the following plane figures. 4a plus 2t plus 3a plus 2t plus 2a plus 4t. Two t, 4t and 40, 80. Perimeter equals 4a and 3a, 7a, 7a and 2a, 9a plus 80. Find the perimeter of each side of a hexagon 10 centimeter. This is 10 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18. 18 into 10 centimeter. Perimeter equals 180 centimeter. Again, I will show you. Inner lines we are not adding for the perimeter. Outer boundary we have to add for the perimeter. Look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 sides are there. 18 into 10 centimeter, 180 centimeter. Seventh questions. Angle add up to 90. Which angles add up to 90? Complementary. Angles add up to 180. Supplementary. Angles at a point add up to 360. Interior angles in a triangle add up to 3. Interior. Right? Interior angle is mean inside the angles. That is add up to 180. This angle set up to 180. Exterior angles of a triangle add up to, it means this angle add up to 360. Next question, find A. You can write all the angles, they are supplementary and up to 180. 2A plus 3A plus A, 180. Angle, sum of a straight line. 2A and 3A, 5A and A, 6A. $270, x plus 270, these two add, then 360, then what is the reason for these angles at the point? We have done every day, we are getting a sum like this. So now I know you already practiced to do this. Already you know how to do this. Basic concept is angle at a point, angles at a point add up to 360. X equals 360 minus 270, 0, 16, subtract 7, that is 9. Right answer is 90. 8 plus 5 minus plus 2. Minus 3, minus 3, minus 10. When we add in these signs, we are getting minus signs. When we add in the same sign, getting the answer also the same sign. Minus 7 and minus 3, minus 10, minus 10 and minus 10, minus 20. At the same sign, if it is positive, it is positive. All the signs are negative. So, answer also negative answer. This is a fraction, but no problem because the same denominator is here. Denominator is 7 plus 2 plus minus 2. Then it means adding different signs here, right? 7 here also plus 2 minus 2, 0. Over 7, answer is 0. Here minus 8 minus 9. What I told you, when we are subtracting, we learn under the directed numbers rules. Minus 8. Then here, convert this to positive. Opposite sign. This is negative, so positive then. This also write the Additive inverse of minus 5 plus 5 plus minus 9. Now simplify these two. When different signs are there, you have to take the difference. What is the difference of these two? Minus 8 and plus 5. Minus 3. Then here minus 9. Then add the same sign. Then minus 3 minus 9. Answer is minus 12. Here minus 12 minus 15 plus 5. It's mean minus 12 and minus 15. It's mean minus 12 plus 15 minus, here we can write plus 5. Minus 12 plus 15, that is plus 3. Plus 5 minus plus 5. Then here minus 2. Minus 5 into plus 5 plus 35 into plus 1. Here we can write common denominator is 5. Plus 3 minus 1. Plus 14 into minus 4. Here minus 4 divided by minus 2 plus 2. 14 divided by minus 7 minus 2. Minus 2 times plus 2 minus 4. Twelve x plus 8xy minus 4. Then here 4 is here. 12x divided by 4, that is 3x plus 2xy minus 1. 2 times n 2n, 2 times n plus 2n, 2 times 2p minus 4p. Minus into minus plus 3 into 3, 9y. Minus into minus plus 3 times 1, 3. Next one, simplify 2 times 4x, 8x. 2 times 3 plus 6. Minus 2 times x minus 2x. Minus into minus plus 3. Then check whether like terms are here. 8x minus 2x, that is 6x, plus 6 plus 3 plus 9. Next question. Remove the bracket first. 3x plus 7y, now minus in front of this bracket, so multiplied by minus 1, minus into 2x minus 2x, minus into minus plus 3y minus into minus plus set. Now same signs are here, so you can add like terms here. X plus 7y plus 3y, 10y plus z. This is the answer here. Next question. Find the value of algebraic expressions 2x minus 3y minus 4z when x equals 4, y equals 3, z equals 2. 2 into 4 minus 3 into 3 minus 4 into z is 2 here. 2 times 4, 8 minus 6 minus 8. Cancel out plus 8 and minus 8. Answer is minus 6. And next one, substitute P equals 5, Q equals minus 2, R equals minus 3. Minus 3 into a sign instead of P here 5 plus 2 into a sign instead of Q minus 2 plus a sign instead of R minus 3 plus 7. 3 times 5 minus 15 plus 2 times minus 2 minus 4 plus 3 times minus 3 minus 9 plus 7. Minus 15 plus into minus 4 minus 9 plus 7. So what are the same signs here? 15 minus 9 and minus 4. Minus 15 and minus 4 here. Minus 19. Minus 19 and here minus 9. Minus 19 and minus 9 minus 28. Plus 7. Minus 21. Again, I will retake the answer. Minus 3 times 5 minus 15, 2 times minus 2, minus 4, 3 times minus 3 minus 9 plus 7. So you can add the same sign, 15 and minus 4. 15 and minus 4 minus 19 plus minus 9. Minus 28 plus 7. Different signs, you have to take the difference here. Then put the sign of the largest numerical value. Then according to numerical value, this is 28. So from 28 subtract 7, that is 21. This one contain minus, so minus 21 is the answer here. Answer the following questions related to following regular solid plane figures. What is the name of this figure? This is a regular hexagon. Regular is mean all the sides are equal. Then we can write regular hexagon. 6 sides are there. A 6-sided figure is called a hexagon. How many faces here? Sorry. I forget to mention this question. There is a problem. So I will cancel out this one, right? So this is not a regular solid plane figure. This is a plane figure. No? So I haven't mentioned a regular solid plane figure. Instead of this, I will arrange like this. I will write here Q. Please remove this figure. This one now. We are talking about the solids, but I have included the round picture here. This one is square, right? Then we can write name. What is the name of this figure? Square. How many faces are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 faces. How many edges? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many vertices? 8. Euler's relationship true. It means already you know number of faces plus number of vertices equals edges plus 2. Yeah, this side 14, this side 14. Then Euler's relationship is true for this figure. HCF. Then we have to find the highest common factor, 12. Then you can write as a product of prime factors, 3 into 2 into 3 into 3, right? 2 times 3 is 6. If not, you can arrange it like this, 2 into 2 into 3. We'll arrange like this, 2 times 2, 4 times 3, 12. 24 also. 2 into 2 into 2, 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 3, 24. 60. 2 into 2. 2 times 2, 4 times 3, 12 into 5. So what is the HCF here? 2 is common, and this 2 also common, and this 3 also common. So HCF equals 2 into 2 into 3, 2 times 2, 4 times 3, 12. For x, write the product of prime factors, 2 into 2 into x, 8xy. 2 into 2 into 2 into x into y, 6xyz. 2 into 3 into x into y into z. 2 here x common. X common. Then you can write HCF is 2x. Three. Write each of the algebraic expressions given below as a product of factors. So 10, 2 times 5 P into Q plus 3 times 5 into Q into R, 20Q. 4 times 5 into Q. So we can write, take out the common factors, 5 common and here Q common. 5 common, 5 common, Q common. You also 5 and Q. Take the common factors out. 5Q, it remain in 2P plus 3R plus 4. Even if you want to check, you can expand the brackets and see whether the same answer coming back. 5Q into 2P, 10PQ, 5Q into 3R, 15QR, 5Q into 4. Then what is the answer here? 520Q. Second question, 4A plus 8AB plus 12AC. Then 4A plus 2 into 4 into A into B plus here 3 into 4 into A into C. We can take the 4 out here. 4 is common, take it out. A common. 1 plus 2B plus 3C. Remove the bracket, 4A into 1, 4A, 4A into 2B, 8AB, 4A into 3C, 12AC. Next question, 16. Find the square root, 576. You can follow the long division method. Prime factorization method, you can follow to find the square root. 576 divide by, because long division method we are following in grade 10 class, right? We are going to use the prime factorization method. Divide this is by 2. 2, 17, how many 2's are there? 8, 16, 8, 288. Divide by 2, 144. Divide by 2, 7, 2. Divide by 2, 3, 6. Divide by 2, 18. Divide by 2, 9. Divide by 3, 3. Divide by 3, 1. So we can write here 2, 2, 2, 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 3, 12. 2 into 3 into 3. 2 times 3, 6 times 3, 18. 25, 5, 0, 50. Now we 25 square root is 5 and 2 zeros are here. Take 1 from this, then answer is the square root of 2500 is 50. Complete the following. That here 1 ton. Then 1 ton is mean. So how can we write in kilogram? 1 into 1000 kilogram. 1 kilogram, you have to write it in the gram. How many grams are there in 1 gram? Then also 1000. 1 gram, how many milligram? Then also 1000. Express 8.756 ton in kilogram. So you have to multiply, when we are converting this to kilogram, you have to multiply this is by 1000. 8.756 into 1000. 8756 kilogram. You have to write this is also, this is as a fraction in kilogram. Really straightly we can say 4500 kilogram, right? 4,000, 4.5 into 1000. 8 and 1, 9 over 2 into 1000. It's mean 500. It mean 4500 kilogram. Here 3 squared a squared. 3a to the power 2. 64, 64 square root, no, that is mean cubic power of 64 is 4 to the power 3, right? 4 to the power 3, a to the power 3, b to the power 3. Now, power 3 is common for this, 4a and b. So, 4ab inside the bracket, 3 outside the bracket. Next question, 125y to the power 3. It means 125 can divide by 5, 25 again by 5. 5 to the power 3y to the power 3. 5y to the power 3. Find the value of minus 2 to the power 6. Minus 2 to the power 6. So we can write here minus 2 into 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 minus 2. Minus into minus, plus into minus, minus into minus, minus into minus, minus. Then altogether here, when multiplying even number of time minus sign, it is getting an even number. So 2 to the power 6, 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16 times 2, 32 times 2, 64. 64 is the answer here, plus 64. Question number 19. If two triangles coincide more than once, the figure is said to have a coincide more than one. Earlier also we got the same one. Said to have a rotational. Find the angle of the rotation of following equilateral. It means this has a order of symmetry tree. Earlier questions by mistakenly I have included, but here asking different question. Then they are asking what is the angle of rotation. So you know this is already 360, but that angle of rotation is mean this 360 you have to divide by axis of symmetry. There are 3 axes of symmetry. So 360 divided by 3. Answer is 120. Angle of rotation is 120. Question number 20. Here 40 plus 2x plus x equals 180. You already know angle sum of a triangle. 40 plus 3x equals 180. Yeah, 180 minus 40, 140. 14, how many trees are here? 4. 20, there are 6. 2/3. 46 and 2/3. X is 46 and 2/3. Here 2x plus 3x plus x equals 180. 5x, 6x. 6x equals 180. This is also by 6. X equals 30. Find x. 360. 2x plus 105 and 100, 205. 2x equals 10 subtract by 5, 5, 155. 2x equals 155. Yeah, no? 360 subtract 205. This side by 2, this side by 2. X equals, then we have to find the x, 7 and half. X equals 77 and half. 22. 70 plus x supplementary. We don't need that theorem. We need this thing. You can understand this is a straight line. Then 70 plus x equals 180. X equals 180 minus 70. X equals 110. Here these angles are add up to, these angles are equal to xy. There is a theorem. Exterior angle equal the sum of two interior opposite angles. Exterior angle equals the sum of interior opposite angles. So x equals 60 plus 30. X equals 90. X equals 90. $23. Evaluate. Find the value. First whole numerical part you can add. This is easy then. 2 and 3, 5 and 4, 9. No? If you want, you can write 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus now fractional part half plus 1/3 plus half. Add this. 5 and 4, 9 plus. This is by 3. Three and 2, 5 and 3, 8 over 6. 9 plus 1 and 1 and here remaining 2, 6. 9 plus 5 times by 25, 2 remaining. 5 times 2, 10 and 2, 12. 1 remaining. 5 times by 25 and 1, 26. 1, 2, 3, 4. 0.2625. In the class, there are 12 girls and 15 boys. Find the total students in the class. So, in the class, there are 12 girls and 15 boys. Then total number of students in the class, how much? Total equals 12 plus 15, how many? 27 students. Write down the ratio of girls to boys. Girls, boys. Girls here 12, boys here 15. Then how many we can simplify? We can't keep the ratio like this. We have to simplify. How many trees are here? 4. How many trees are here? 5. 4 to 5. Girls to boys. Then find the simple ratio of, it should be put boys to girls. Boys to girls here. Boys to girls here. Then change this. Boys 5, girls 4. 5 to 4. Next question. The ratio of girls to boys in a class is 45. The total students are 27. What part of class are girls? The same question asked in another way. Same questions what we have done earlier, right? Then because I want that today, last week I have included the ratio question first. And today I have include some simple equation questions also, right? Then what part of the class are girls here? All total ratio we have to take. What is the total ratio? 4 and 5, 9. I will do it here. Total ratio equals 4 plus 5, 9. Part of girls. Here you can write 4/9. Calculate the number of girls. Number of girls. It means 4/9 into 27. 12. Number of 12 girls. What part of the class are boys? So when we take the boys part, 5/9. Here 3 times 5, 15. Sorry, they are asking what part of the class are boys. This is for the fourth part of this. Third one asking only the part of boys. From the total ratio, you can write the part of boys here. Total ratio is 9 and the boys part is girls to boys 5. 5/9. Fourth one, number of boys. 27 into 5/9, 3 times 5, 15 boys. Look at the earlier they gave 15 boys and 12 girls. No, same answers came here, right? I want to show you, that's why I have included this question here other side. Question number 26. Build up simple equations. Then today I included simple equation also. The sum of 8 added to a certain number is 13. Right, certain number I will take as x. Certain number, take number as x. Then you can write the sum of 8 added to certain number equals 13. This is the equation. The difference of 12 from a certain number I will take as a. as simple A. Simple A minus 12 equals 25. The sum of twice a number and 3. That means take the as B. 2B plus the sum of twice a number and 3. 17. 2B plus 3 equals 17. 26. Question number 27. Solve these simple equations. X plus 3 equals 8. X equals 8 minus 3. Borrow this plus 3 to other side, it's become minus 3. But for your grade students, I have teach like this. Additive inverse of plus 3 is minus 3. Then plus 3 to minus 3 to this side, 8. Then you have to add minus 3 to this side. X equal, this is 0, equals 8 minus 3, that is 5. This one, 2x equals 12, multiply both sides by reciprocal of the 2. Reciprocal of the 2 is 1 over 2. Then if you multiply this side also, half, then this side also you have to multiply it by 1 over 2 to balance the equation. X equals, cancel out 6. And here 3p. What is the additive inverse of plus 60 minus 60? Then add minus 60 to this side. And if you subtract 60 from this side, you have to subtract 60 from the other side also to balance the equation. Then cancel out this plus 60 and minus 60. 3p equals 180 minus 60, 120. This side by 3, this side by 3. P equals 40. 11y minus 19 equals 102. 11y equals 102 minus 19. 11y equals 12 subtract 9. That is how much? 3. 9 subtract 183. Is that so? 102, 90. 12 subtract 9, that is 3. 9 subtract 183, yeah, 83. Then divide this side by 11, this side also by 11. Y equals 77, there are 7. 7 11s are there. 83 subtract 77. 13 subtract 7, that is 6. 7 and 6 over 11. This is the answer here. 7 and 6 over 11. Then already we finish our session. And no, we have another question, sorry, 28th one. Then after finish this session, I will send you the Google form paper. Please complete and submit it to me, right? And I like to see your marks. And if I want to see whether this session is successful, right? Then 3 into, because I have arranged the same structure every day, but in the future, I'm going to change the structure after completing other lessons too, right? Then I have remained few lessons to cover. Then after finish this all, I'm going to change the structure of this paper. Solve these simple equations. Minus 3 into a minus 3a plus 3 times 1. That is minus into plus minus. Minus 3 equals 8. Minus 3a equals 8 plus 3. 3a equals 11. Then we can write here minus 3a equals 11. Yeah, when we add this, 3a equals 11 divided by 3. A equals 11. How many 3s are there? 3. 2/3. 5 times 6, 5x. 5 times 3, minus 15 equals 4 times x, 4x. 4 times 2, 8. 5x minus 4x equals 8 plus 15. X equals 8 and 15, that is 23. Right, 8 and 15, that is 23. 6y plus 4 equals 5y minus 1. Then like terms together. 6y, borrow this, plus 5y to this side, it's become minus 5y. Minus 1, borrow this, plus 4 to other side, it's become minus 4. 6y minus 5y equals minus 1 and minus 4. Minus 5 is the answer here. Next question. Remove the bracket first. 8 into x, 8x. 8 into 1 plus 8. 2 into x, 2x plus 2 times 16, 32. Now check the like terms, then 8x and 2x, right? 8x, borrow this 2x to this side, it's become minus 2x. Borrow this 32 plus 8 to other side, minus 8. 8x minus 2x, how much here? 8x minus 2x, 6x. Equals 32 minus 8. Then here you can see 2 and 6, 24. Yeah, then this side by 6, this side by 6. X equals how much here? That is 4. Right, we have already completed 28 questions, right? I think those who are not in the class, they can understand this easily because we are already following same structure from each lesson. We are including 1 or 2 questions, right? We already covered up to simple equation lesson. Up to simple equations, I have included the questions here, but don't worry, those who couldn't stay for the class, they can understand through this. Another thing, the grade 9 students, those who missed the class when they were in grade 8, they also can participate this and they also can do this sums. Okay, then I will finish the session. Bye.